Hi, welcome back to Round the House with Cheryl. It's Cheryl here today. If you like everything house and garden, please subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And if you don't want to miss out on my videos, just hit the bell so you don't miss when I put out a new video. And I welcome everybody back. Keep watching my channel. Today I have a collective haul. It's Dollar Tree, Walmart, Lidl, and Roses. So if you want. Okay, first I want to show you what I picked up from Walmart. You know, I had to go by to see what they had on clearance. And I showed you in my last video some earrings I picked up, and they had these 75% off. So got all these earrings for 75 cents a piece. So let me show you which ones I got. If you could see those, the little spiders, I thought those were really cute. And then I don't know if I bought these already, but the little witch hats with the boots, aren't they cute? And let's see, of course, I got something tangled up here. Okay, here we go. These are some skeletons. Look, you see those okay? And we got some skeleton hands, bows, aren't they cute? So I got 4 of those, and then I went back today and saw some other ones I didn't have. So I got those. These are some little ghosts, and they shake. I thought those were cute. And then I saw these bats with the jewel tones. Aren't they cute? I don't know if you can see their little faces. And then I think, yes, this is the last one. I thought this one was cute. A little candy corn in a little bag. It says trick or treat. This one this is spooky, so I'll be painting that for next Halloween. Let's see if I can turn it around the correct way. Let's say boo. So I got 2. Picked up these little blue, kind of like they're stickers, little snowflakes. I'm going to stick them on those little mercury jars that I have above me on the fireplace mantle. And then I'm not going to take all these out, but I picked up, and then the feathers are going everywhere. I picked up 4 of these boas. I'm going to put them on these little, let me grab one and show you. Uh-oh, knocked the ornament off my tree. I'm going to put them on this and decorate it. So, to kind of fill in the gaps. So, when I did it for the Halloween one, I did only use 1, and I realized I think you need 2. Well, it's not going to look like that, but that's... You get the idea. That's what I'm going to do. So I got 4. I have 2 trees, so I'll put 2 of the boas on each tree. 2 more of these removable hooks. I put one on the door, and I can't get it off. I think I did it wrong. Let's see. I found this Go Allure. It's a mask applicator. It helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. 15-minute facial therapy. Global Beauty Care. So I found one of those. And then I picked up a pair of these Realtree men's cushion thermal socks. I give them to my husband when he works outside in the winter. And I found these hauled by Sandy. Sandra's hauls. I'm sorry, Sandra. She said these apple melon ones were excellent and smelled great. So I only picked up 2. But I want to show you what I picked up from Lidl. So I'm not really going to call this a Dollar Tree haul because I didn't really have much. But it's a combination haul. So I went to Lidl's, and they have Christmas stuff in their store. And I picked up these. It's a 6-piece set of ornaments. I want to do red and white on a tree. Well, 2 trees I have. So I picked up 3 of these. So I thought they were pretty. This was all they had. And something else I picked up I thought was super cute, and I probably won't want to melt them, but they're little 6-pack of candles. Look, they're little Santas. Can you see them? I had not seen anything like this before, and they're actually sitting on little tea lights. So I got those, and then because it was Halloween, they had this on clearance, and I like the way the wrappers look with the eyeballs and the pumpkins. And so this will give me a snack to have. So I got those. Let's see, what else did I get? Okay, now I think that's all I got from Lidl's. Now there's a store called Roses here. I'm not sure if you have one where you live, but I found these 4 glitter ornaments, the reindeer. So I'm going to put them on this tree because the ones I have on here now are the light color ones. So now I found some darker, so you can see the difference. I only found one, so I got that. But yeah, it's a big difference in the shade of blue. Let me put this ornament over here that fell off. And then I found two of the silver ones. So I picked those up. Okay, I think I got 2 of these 20 clear mini lights. I think I'm going to put them on the white tree. I'm going to see what they look like before. And then I found some of these. Usually it's hard, or at least I hadn't been able to find them. The blue lights with the white cord. So I got 2 of these. Debating if I'm going to put them or try to put them on these white trees. 70 count might be too big, but at least I'll have them for next year to put on my other big white tree here. And I wanted to bring in a little bit of red into my kitchen, so I found these valances. They're almost a little burgundy, but that will still work for me. That's because I couldn't find red. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought I got 5. It might be one and another. Grandson. And it was a little pajama set. I thought that was cute. And he could wear that Christmas Eve. And then I saw these little pajama pants. He could wear these anytime. So, and I found these, says athletic department pants for him. What else did I get? I forgot what I got. Oh, and then these pants, these little sweatpants. This will be a gift. I'm not sure who I'm going to give it to yet. But this was at Rose's, and this was only $4.99. This is the As Seen on TV. The spinning spa brush, cleanse and pamper your body. Shoot, I should go back and get me one. They might be all gone. But look, can't beat that for $4.99. I think this was my best bargain. And I think, guys, that's all I got on this haul. So this haul, I hope you like it. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.